As y'all can tell, we're not at the other meet now. We are now at Gears and Beers. Whole bunch of exotics and stuff out here. So we're gonna take y'all around and see what's all out here for real. This is what we got over here. Nissan GTRs. That's 5.7 McDonald.
You got cameras?
Big twin turbos, of course, from the factory.
I want an old Patina hot rod. I don't give a fuck about the body. Just got a
442.
Camaro FS.
Looking good. It's clean right there. Toyota Supra.
That
Shit, right hand drive. This is clean. That's CLT Hemi? That's you? I don't think it is. I don't think that is. It might got tires. That's not him. I don't think that's him.
Bye now. See you later.
Old school. Firebird. Trans Am. C8. Huracan clean now. Another one here. RS4. Okay, a lot of high-end cars out this way, man. Porsche. GT3. Might give you some action down this way. That's that Audi R8 I was revving earlier, right there. Yeah. Somebody just did a burnout up there in a pickup truck. A Huracan. Let y'all check out this NSX. I wonder if I can see the paint. Carbon ceramic brakes. See it ain't clean. Volkswagen there. Stingray. Ford,
Really?
something. I ain't gonna act like I know what this is. I think I do.
That leather belt has to be interesting to slide on there. Yeah, it's really something.
It's like a 12-year-old boy that was working on this car. He has his own YouTube channel just to work on this car.
Oh, really?
He's 12.
Y'all let me know what this is, man. I think I know it's a model of something. Not exactly sure though. That's serious right there, bro. think he got the one lug nut.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't see that.
That's like that Formula One stuff for real though.
Oh, right.
325. Oh, look who it is. Oh shit. Look who it is. I know who this cat is, man. Y'all better.
I ain't nobody, man.
Man, this man tripping.
I park my shit all the way down there because it's dirty, man. I don't want nobody to see me.
Man, I was gonna park in the cut myself, but I saw a parking spot open up. I was like,
Yeah.
fuck it, you know. I just pulled on in. So y'all check out my man Knockout 360, man.
We got some cars out here.
Yeah, for real. Get my man to 30K.
Jay right there, that's got my name on.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Shout your channel out, bro.
Man, Rubens_3,
Yeah.
man, shit right here, man.
This car clean as shit. He parked
No,
his
it
shit
ain't.
right there.
No, that was the only parking spot. Only parking spot.
He's
Only
parked
parking
about 3 cars behind the Lamborghini.
I'm parked between like $2 million worth of cars.
Hey, his car louder than the Lamborghinis.
Hey, that's true.
Shoot, yeah,
Yeah.
that's about it. That's where it stops.
Hey, listen, that's half of it.
Yeah. See this paint, man. What's a wrap?
How long y'all been out here? Yeah, I just pulled up my damn self.
I put it about 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to start fucking with this, man. I
Yeah.
think they didn't have this once before, right?
Yeah,
In April.
yeah.
This is second time?
Yeah, I was at
Such a
the.
nice day. I was like, I gotta come.
Yeah, I was at the other meet. I was like, shoot, what time is it? I'm like, hold on, I can hit the other
That's
one
that
too.
detailed garage?
No, I was the one Mopar culture had.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I went out there for a little bit and I was like, hold on, I can hit both of them. So I was like, shoot, let me go ahead and run out there real quick.
Hey, we need to be out here, man.
Yeah,
This where the content is.
yeah.
That's what? How much is that? That's about $2 million for the car, right?
Yeah.
That SBJ 750, that's 700. That purple one's about 700. You got the GT3 RS Porsche right there. Gee,
You got some over here that's been imported. You can't even buy that one over here.
you can't even buy it. This one.
No.
That shit on the right hand side. I just
Right, yeah. And y'all check out the scene though, man. Lambo, Porsche.
Hey, bro, it's levels, man. We
Yeah.
start with the scats, then the cats, and then we got to go somewhere after that.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And then that's when we come over here.
Yeah, and park right at the front.
Park way up front, exactly.
Tell people to move out the way and everything,
Exactly.
man.
Hellcat don't stand a chance out here.
Not at all.
With all this.
But you know, I ain't gonna lie. How much money I got? I need a Hellcat.
I need a Hellcat. Yeah,
need a
absolutely.
Hellcat.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. When it's all said and done, I got to get a Hellcat.
Me too. I'll tell you,
Four cars.
wide variety. Like I said, BMW, GT2.
Have y'all walked down here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, most of the stuff
Go
is down
check
this
it
way.
out. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna swing back up that way and see if somebody do something. All right. Go walk down here real quick. Hopefully that Viper's still here, cause I want to see that Viper, man. Toyota, Supra.
Yeah, I think people are starting to migrate.
Another Audi. I'm telling you, big money out here, man. Big time stuff out here. That's 3. Trying to figure out what this is. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. I gotta walk around the back. Ferrari something. Ferrari something. Might be I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what this Ferrari is, man. I ain't gonna act like I know. Right here, man. Viper ACR. Big Wayne gang. Don't get it confused now. One of my dream cars, man. One of them. I gotta have this in the garage, man. Like that. When it says a little bit of everything out here, I really do mean that. Check this out real quick. This bag Chevy. little bit of everything out here. Got Chevy, Lexus, a BMW. Check out the scene, man. Get that cam in it. Mustang almost. North Carolina when you see that. Yes, sir. See, that thing's super clean. Yes, sir. I'll tell you, a Viper's my favorite car, man. I'm telling you guys. Telling you. All right, guys, it's gonna wrap up this video, man. Had a lot of action. Y'all saw a lot of Mopars, a lot of high-end cars on this one video, man, or it might be two, depending on how the footage comes out and whatnot, man. Thank y'all for tapping in, your boy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, try and take it on up to the next level, man. Until then, catch you on the next video. We are out. Cut it.